Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to check some of the inbuilt functions in string which can be used to modify our string. So let's say I have here two variables, name and lang. So here I have provided value Code Crush to name variable and Python to lang variable. So what I want to do here, in the name I can see the C is in uppercase and all other letters are in lowercase. So what I want to do, I want to make all the letters in uppercase. So what I can do here, I need to provide the name of variable which is name here, and you need to type upper. So this is the inbuilt function upper. Let me save this. So it will do all the letters in capital letters. So see, so I have provided here Code Crush and it is being printed in uppercase by this function upper. So in similar ways we have another function to print all the characters in lowercase. So let's say in lang variable I have only p in uppercase and all other letters in lowercase. So if I pass it to lower function, so this p will also be in lowercase. Let me show you that. So lang dot lower, save it. See, all these letters are in lowercase. So in this way you can get the characters as per your choice in upper and lower case with the use of these two functions, upper and lower. Another function we need to study here is strip. So what strip function will do, it will remove the white spaces at the end of your code and also at the start of your code. Suppose if I have this Code Crush value and I have added some space at start and end, and if I print it, let's say print name. So see, I'm getting here the extra space which I have added in my string, but I want to remove this space. So what I can do, name dot strip. So strip is the function which is used here. So if I save it now, so I will not get the extra space. See, I'm not getting that extra space. So it nominates that extra space at the start as well as at the end. So this is the use of strip function. Another function here is, suppose I have here Code Crush, but I want to remove this some letters with another letters. Let's say I want to remove this O with D. So how I can do this? So there is a function replace. So you need to provide the variable name dot replace, and here you need to provide the two values. So let's say I want to replace O with, let's for example consider E. Let's save this. So see, in that string name we have only one O which was present here and it is being replaced by E. So the first one is the letter which we want to get replaced and the second one is the letter which we want to add as the replacement. Let's say I have some sample name here. Let's say type here FGH random some string, and here you can see I have I two times. So what if instead of I want to get it as Z? Let's save this. So see, I was having I here two times. Now instead of I am getting here Z. So in this way you can make use of this replace function to replace some characters in your string. Let me modify this Code Crush. So another function we want to study here is, let's say I have two variables and I want to add them. So adding string is basically called concatenation. So in concatenation we are just adding the two strings. Let's say we take third variable which is called as result, and in that result we will add name plus lang. So name has the value Code Crush and lang has the value Python. So what do you think, what will result store? So it will basically store Code Crush Python. Let's print that. print result, save it. So see, I'm able to get the name. So name is printed. After that the lang is printed. So I want some extra space here. So how can I do this? So I will add that extra space also. So I will provide a plus symbol. I will add that space. So what will it print now? It will print name Codecrush, plus it will add that extra space. After that it will add lang. So let me show you. See, now I am getting Codecrush Python. So that were some of the inbuilt methods in string. So thank you for watching. We will cover another topics in next video.